What's going on, YouTube? Back with some more content. Nando Speed, Raving Like a Wolf, back in effect. Yeah, been out for a little while. Haven't been posting up too much stuff recently. I haven't even checked my messages. But I will be going back and start posting up, have some more content to post up. I got an iPhone 15 Max Pro, and I guess I still don't know how to use it. I've been coming out with bad resolution. But hopefully this one comes out decent enough. Actually, just came on here just to pretty much right into the corner store real quick. I said, you know what, let me post up some sounds. Tried to do that the other day and it didn't come out again. Great. So figured out another way. Hopefully this one works. So let's see how it works out. Yeah, just got a new mount, so it's actually really nice. I think for the iPhone, I need to get some more cameras in here. Try to see how that work out. Roll these windows down. I'm not sure if this is going to connect to the Bluetooth and cut the sound off. Hopefully not. But as you can see, Acura is running nice. Still got my K-tuner. Reading good numbers as usual. Been putting like a half a gallon or to a gallon of E85 on race days, which is coming up again this week. Going to the caffeine, you know, you always bump into cars that want to run, so I just love it. Yeah, so let's see how this works out today. I always drive the car in sport mode, so that's what it is. Car warms up, it actually gives you those pops like the Type S. It sounds so beautiful when it's like that. my destination. I'm gonna try to probably make another record heading back home. If not, back in effect.